Acidic nature. Today we are going to discuss one more important topic in organic chemistry, acidic nature. It's a very important topic, particularly for JE point of view and NEET point of view. Every year they will ask one question. Every year, either in JE or NEET examination, definitely they will ask. Chalo. Essentially, what are acid according to the Arrhenius, according to Bronsted, according to Lewis. So I'm going to discuss briefly what is an acid according to Arrhenius. According to Arrhenius, an acid is nothing but which can donate a proton, which can use H plus ion, gives H plus ion in aqueous solution. H plus ion in aqueous solution. H plus ion or hydronium ion in aqueous solution. What is Arrhenius? What is Arrhenius acid means? Which gives H plus ion or hydronium ion in aqueous solution, nothing but acid, according to Arrhenius. According to Bronsted, proton donors are nothing but acid. According to Lewis, electron pair acceptors. Electron pair acceptors are nothing but Lewis acids. This is according to the Arrhenius, according to the Bronsted, according to Lewis. Now, entire acidic character of organic compounds are very important. Now, whenever these theories are required, we can use these theories. Achha, one more important thing we are using in acidic character. If Ka value increases, this is according to the first word, according to the Arrhenius, relative strength of acids are explained based on Ka value in aqueous solution. If Ka value increases, or pKa value decreases, acidic nature increases. Acidic nature increases. For your kind information, particularly for formic acid, benzoic acid, acidic acid, pKa value of acidic formic acid is around 3.2. This is around 4.2. This is around 4.74. pK values of this compounds. Based on pK value, we can easily tell that which of the given compound is more acidic character. Here, formic acid is more acidic character. No, I am not telling you to mug up these values, but relatively somehow. Previously asked a question. Generally, aromatic acids are more acidic than aliphatic acid, but here formic acid is more acidic than remaining two only. So this is explained by only based on Ka values in aqueous solution only. That's why pK value decreases, acidic nature increases only. अच्छा, for your kind information, super acid बोलते हैं. What is super acid? This is called super acid. अच्छा, whose pK value is equal to -12. Can you imagine? Whose pK value is -12, more acidic. The strongest acid is known compound is super acid is nothing but this is whose pK value is -12. For example, sulfuric acid के लिए ये pK value is around -10. More acidic character. Like somehow some memory part they may ask the question. So generally theoretical questions only they will ask. Sure. Now come to the basic funda. What is the basic funda? Generally, weak acid is considered to be a acid, weak acid. This is called represented weak acid. Which ionizes into H plus and A minus. A minus. And this is called acid. What is an acid? Means which gives H plus and in aqueous solution is called acid. Okay. Now acidic strength is depends upon stability of anion only. Here anion formed is more stable. Now yes, here they go. Here anion, this is anion. If anion formed is more stable, if anion formed is more stable, if anion formed is more stable, then its conjugate base, nothing but its conjugate acid. If anion formed is more stable, then initial compound is more acidic character. Then original compound is more acidic. अच्छा देखो ये सेंटेंस है आपके लिए. If anion is more stable, then this substance will give H plus ion very easily, because the anion formed is more stable only. For the stability, this compound can give H plus ion very easily only. Achha, how anion is more stable? What factor decide anion is more stable? So anion is more stable by so many factors. If anion stability decides on anion stability, if anion stability is based on the anion formed conjugation concept है, conjugation concept है, maybe resonance concept है. अच्छा, maybe anion formed is aromatic ఉండొచ్చు. If anion any one of these, the anion formed any one of these, then the original compound can give H plus and very easily the acidic strength will increase. So we'll tell one by one example. चलो एक एग्जांपल है, सपोज अच्छा RSO3H and RCOOH. अच्छा एग्जांपल 1 देखो, एग्जांपल 1 among these two which is a more acidic. अच्छा both acids can give H plus ion very easily. Both acids can give H plus ion very easily. So suppose it gives H plus ion. Now this compound gives H plus ion, then it becomes RSO3. RSO3 minus this is anion. Acha, it gives H plus ion. Its anion is RCOO minus. RCOO minus. So the anion formed, which anion is more stable? This is also anion. Which anion is more stable? Achha, this stabilized by resonance. Of course, this is also stabilized by resonance. Here how many resonance structures are possible? देख लीजिए, how many resonance structures are possible? अच्छा, दो means this oxygen is having negative charge, that oxygen also negative charge. Here two resonance structures are possible. Two resonance structures are possible. Now here see, this is also possible. That means 1, 2, 3 oxygen atoms carrying negative charge also possibility there. That's the reason why it is having 3 resonance structures. 3 resonance structures. 3 resonance structures. These 2 resonance structures. So the number of resonance structure increases, stability of the anion also increases. That's why sulfonic acid is more acidic than carboxylic acid. Statement 1, sulfonic acids are more acidic than carboxylic acid. अच्छा, ये sulfonic acid है. Sulfonic acid is more acidic than carboxylic acid. Sulfonic acid is more acidic than carboxylic acid. Sulfonic acid is more acidic than carboxylic acid because of resonance. चलो एक और एग्जांपल है. Example 2. देखो, in example 2 I go for carboxylic acid and paracids. अच्छा, RCOOH, RC double bond OH. अच्छा, anion ने रास्ता anion RCOO है O minus. This is nothing but a carboxylic acid है. Carboxylic acid है. Now this is nothing but para-acids है. Nothing but para-acids है. Carboxylic acid para-acids है. अच्छा, this anion shall I write the anion of this is RCOO O minus है. Right. अच्छा, this is anion of the original compound. This again, this is anion of para-acids. Anion of this compound. अच्छा देखो, ये anion है, resonance structures है. अच्छा, resonance structures are possible. अच्छा देखो, दो सिंगल बॉन्ड है, नेगेटिव चार्ज फॉलोड बाय टू सिंगल बॉन्ड्स है. देयर इज नो रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स है. अच्छा, रेजोनेंस स्ट्रक्चर्स आर नॉट पॉसिबल. Resonance is not possible. Is not possible. Resonance is not possible. That's why carboxylic acids are more acidic than para-acids. Carbonic acids are carboxylic acids are more acidic than para-acids. That's why this is more acidic than para-acids. Now example 3 देख लीजिए. Example 3. अच्छा, एग्जाम्पल 3 में एग्जाम्पल 3 है. अच्छा, दिस compound अच्छा, these two compounds are given, which is a more acidic character. NH3 plus है, PH3 plus है, which is a more acidic character. देखो, here for this shall I write anion of this compound. Anion of this compound. अच्छा, ये नेगेटिव आयन लिख रहा है. Anion of this compound. Here also I am writing anion of this compound. Anion of this compound. Anion of this compound. देखो, anion of this compound, this is aromatic है. No doubt this is aromatic है. This is aromatic है. Of course this is also aromatic है. But यहाँ देखो, d orbital resonance is possible. D orbital resonance is possible. D orbital resonance is possible. Why d orbital resonance is possible? Here phosphorus में vacant d orbital है. Vacant d orbital is there. But here only conjugation is there. There is no resonance. Here only conjugation is there. Means here nitrogen में no vacant d orbital है, no resonance is possible. No latter p5 bonds are not possible over here. That's why it is a anion form of this compound is less stable than compared to this compound. That's why acidic character is increases like this. This is more acidic than this compound. So acidic nature किसका ज्यादा है? ये more acidic है. ये more acidic है. नोट करो. एक और एग्जाम्पल है. अच्छा, this compound अच्छा for this compound which is a more acidic compound. चलो anion of this, so I write anion of this. Anion of this. Suppose I am writing anion over here. अच्छा anion of this compound. Anion of this compound. अच्छा देखो नेगेटिव चार्ज एंड ऑक्सीजन है. ऑक्सीजन में लोन पे है, नो डाउट एट ऑल. ऑक्सीजन में लोन पे है, नो डाउट एट ऑल. Here also लोन पे है. Conjugation is possibility there. अच्छा here also conjugation is possibility there. But here सल्फर के साथ अच्छा d orbital resonance also possible. D orbital resonance is possible. D orbital, whenever d orbital resonance is possible, it is a more acidic character. Now it is a more acidic character. More acidic character. Actually, this is one more example acidic character. This is example 4 might be. Then you can go for example 5. Example 5. Example 5. In example 5, अच्छा इन दोनों में which is a more acidic support in the base of base. अच्छा generally base only abstract the proton. Suppose in the base of base is given मैंने. You always check the anion formed, which anion is most stable only. Now here anion formed over here is this is anion, and here anion is अच्छा देखो anywhere either this or this. Suppose anion formed over here. Now 6 pi electrons, this is not aromatic. This is non-aromatic. There is 6 pi electrons are there, but there is no continuous delocalization. Continuous, there are 6 pi electrons. 6 pi electrons are there, no problem, but no continuous delocalization. No continuous delocalization. Because here a single bond, here a single bond है. Delocalization break हो गया. But it is no. This is a 6 pi electrons also there, but there is a continuous delocalization. It is aromatic compound. अच्छा anion formed is a more stable. That's why this is a more acidic. Means tendency can liberate H plus ion very easily. So here acidic character under this cyclopentene, dipentene is more acidic than this compound. Achha, whenever initial compound is given, just you have to write the anion of the initial compound. Then which anion is more stable? Anion stability we can check either you go for resonance or you go for aromacity. एक और एग्जांपल है. एक और एग्जांपल है. एग्जांपल 6 है. एग्जांपल 6 है. इन एग्जांपल 6 में अच्छा A and B which are more acidic? Which hydrogens are more acidic? Hydrogen A, hydrogen B, which is a more acidic? So both cases you can check the anion formation only. अच्छा, first go for first probability. ये HA, where HA you have to form anion. Second case HB you have to find anion. Which anion is more stable? That is the more acidic character only. So I am drawing like this, sir. First I go for anion over here. Now it is stabilized by means this continued delocalization possibility over there. अच्छा देखो कंटिन्यू डिलोकेशन पॉसिबल, ये वाला, अच्छा ये वाला, अच्छा ये ऐसा, और इट इज पॉसिबल, then this is and this is also possible. Means continued delocalization is possible. Continued delocalization is possibility over here. Okay. Shall we write like this also? Shall we write like this? Very simple thing. ये रहने ये डबल बॉन्ड, चलो ऐसा भी कर सकता है, ये मोस्ट प्रोबेबल है बिकॉज ऑक्सीजन मोर एन वैल्यू, ये वाला ऐसा आ जाएंगे, ये वाला ऐसा आएंगे, मींस रेजोनेंस इज पॉसिबल, ये रेजोनेंस इज पॉसिबल, मोर नंबर ऑफ कॉन्जुगेशंस आर पॉसिबल, दिस फॉर He. नाउ Hb के लिए ट्राई कर रहा है, Hb के लिए ट्राई कर रहा है, यहां आने आना है, अच्छा ये डबल बॉन्ड है, यहाँ डबल बॉन्ड है, अच्छा देखो ऐसा आ रहा है, ऐसा जा रहा है, ऐसा आ रहा है, एंड सिंगल बॉन्ड बिटवीन सिंगल बॉन्ड के बीच में देयर इज नो रेजोनेंस है, अच्छा कंपेयर्ड टू बी, ये यानी इज मोस्ट स्टेबल, सो ये यानी इज मोस्ट स्टेबल, एसिडिक कैरेक्टर के लिए, और एसिडिक कैरेक्टर Ha is more acidic than Hb, means Ha can be removed very easily when compared to Hb, because after removing H plus, the anion formed is most stable one. This is one more example. Note kar. Chalo, in alcohol chapter, I think very important in alcohol chapter. In alcohols, I think you studied alcohols. Alcohols में cleavage of OH bond. Cleavage of OH bond is nothing but acidic character. Right? Cleavage of OH bond is nothing but acidic character. Cleavage of OH bond में, I think you might remember this is a primary alcohols are more secondary than tertiary alcohol. Reactivity order. Reactivity. This is the reactivity order. Reactivity order. मतलब primary alcohols are more acidic than secondary than tertiary. Like methyl alcohol is more acidic than ethyl alcohol, than isopropyl alcohol, than tertiary alcohols. Than tertiary alcohol. So primary greater than, secondary greater than, tertiary one. So we know plus I group increases, acidic character decreases only. Later we can discuss that acidic character. This so alcohols के लिए अच्छा ये याद करना पड़ेगा आप. You can add one thing, plus I group increases, plus I or plus M group increases, acidic nature decreases. Acidic nature decreases, whereas the minus I or minus M group increases, acidic nature also increases. Acidic nature also increases. You have to remember this kind of. चलो एक compound आपके लिए, राइट? चलो ये मैंने HABCD, अच्छा HABC, अच्छा, this kind of questions are asking me. अच्छा चलो, यहाँ मैं डबल बॉन्ड एक यहाँ काम करूंगा. अच्छा, ईयर ABC, सपोज मैंने B लिखा, ABC. अच्छा, नाउ कैन यू टेल which is a more acidic? Which is a more acidic? More acidic. Which is a more acidic? अच्छा देखो, ये सेट, sorry, this is a OH, sorry, this is OH. This is also OH only. This is secondary alkali, no doubt. Secondary alkali. अच्छा, ये भी secondary alkali. Sorry, ये primary alkali. ये भी primary alkali. ये tertiary alkali. Now which is a more acidic? ये secondary alkali, ये primary alkali, ये primary alkali. अच्छा, OH attached carbon is from this carbon. OH is attached, na? Is attached to directly only one carbon. Only one carbon. This is called primary. अच्छा, OH attached carbon is again attached to 1, 2. अच्छा 3, उसका वैलेंसी कितना हो गया? अच्छा 1 सेकेंड, ये नहीं, चलो ये वाला नहीं, बिकॉज कार्बन का वैलेंसी 4 होने जा रहा है ना. कार्बन का वैलेंसी, ये कार्बन है. अच्छा 1 सेकेंड. Here OH है, CH2OH, here OH, देखो. Now this A, this is a B, this is a D, a C. अच्छा, among A, B, C, which is a more acidic? Which is a more acidic? अच्छा, which one is more acidic? Which one is more acidic? Which one is more acidic? देखो, ये टेरिशरी अल्कोहल है, टेरिशरी अल्कोहल है. अच्छा, ये प्राइमरी अल्कोहल है. अच्छा, ये सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल है. ये सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल है. अच्छा, among this which is a more acidic character? Primary alcohol only. Primary alcohol only. So order of means acidic character है. अच्छा, primary alcohol is more, that means B is more acidic. Then this is secondary alcohol है, means A. Then C is tertiary alcohol है. So primary greater than secondary greater than tertiary. This is a primary, secondary, tertiary. Which is a more acidic means this is more acidic. चलो. अच्छा, in case of, in groups, particularly in groups, if anion size increases, size increases, acidic character increases, acidic nature increases. If anion size increases, acidic nature increases. If anion size increases, acidic nature increases. Particularly in groups. For the hydrides, for example, देखो HI, HBr, HCl, HF है. अरे देखो एक anion फॉर्म करो, इसका anion है, इसका anion है I माइनस है, इसका anion है Br माइनस है, इसका anion है Cl माइनस है, इसका anion है F माइनस है. अच्छा, anion size increases, इसका size increases I माइनस का, then acidic order is acidic nature. Acidic nature. Similarly, H2TE, H2SE, H2S, and H2. This acidic character order. Acidic character order. Acidic character order. For example, there देखो OH minus है, like इसका anion है H minus. So H minus having more size when compared to OH minus है. Size increase हो रहा है, anion size increase हो रहा है, acidic character increase हो रहा है. अच्छा, इसका size HTE minus is size more when compared to OH minus है. Size increases in case of groups. If anion size increases, acidic nature also increases. चलो. Next, one more application. One more application. One more application. Particularly in oxyacids. In oxoacids or oxyacids. Oxoacids. Oxoacids of same element. Oxoacids of same element. For your kind of information. अच्छा, best example I go for HClO4, HClO3, HClO2, HOCl. Oxyacids of chlorine. अच्छा, they very simple है. In same element oxyacids, if oxidation state of the element increases, acidic nature increases. Acidic nature increases. You remember, oxidation state of the element increases, इसका acidic nature increases. चलो acidic nature है, देखो ये वाला +7 है, oxidation state है, ये +5 है, ये +3 है, ये +1, ये +1. मतलब which is a more acidic character? This is more acidic character. अच्छा, don't forget acidic nature order. This one is acidic nature order. This one. अच्छा, oxidizing nature order also they may ask so many times asked. Oxidizing nature है. Oxidizing nature also so many times asked. Oxidating nature है, HOCl is more. Means liberation of oxygen here, nascent oxygen, but here which gives H plus ion. This is different. HOCl is more than HClO2, then HClO3, then HClO3. Not only oxoacids, in oxides also same funda. In oxides also same funda. Chalo, in oxides also same funda. Chalo, one second. Acha, SO3 and SO2. Which is more acidic? Acha, SO3 is more because oxidation +6 है, A +4. Like one more example है, H2SO4. H2SO3, which is more acidic है, this one because ये +6 oxidation state है, +4 oxidation state है. Like Cl2O7, sorry, we can discuss one more point on this. We can discuss one more point. This is a acidic character order. Actually, here one exception case is there. One exceptional case is there. What is the exceptional case? अच्छा, very interestingly, very interesting. अच्छा, H3PO4, अच्छा H3PO2, H3PO2. Sir, you said previously same element oxyacids में oxidation state increases, acidic character increases. अच्छा, for your kind of information, For experimentally, these values are pK values are for this pK values are is around 2.1, is one around 1.5, 1.3. That means obviously is a contradiction for what I said previous point only. Sorry, you said more oxidized state is more acidic, but reverse only. Acha, why this is this cross resonance? Because of cross resonance, the compound are reluctant to donate a proton only. That's why less acidic character. देखो इसका मैंने यान लिख रहा है, इसका यान है. अच्छा देखो यान लिख रहा है मैंने O माइनस है OH OH, इसका यान है. अच्छा इसका यान लिख रहा है मैंने यान है. अच्छा O माइनस है H and OH. Now for this यान I will write is O minus है H and H. देखो in the last compound में only resonance is possible. Only resonance is possible. So this resonance, because of resonance, it is a more stable. This anion is more stable. Chalo, here also resonance possible, sir. You know, so you have dumped out. Sir, resonance is also possible, na? Actually, here this resonance is also possible, na? Suppose here double bond is there, here double bond is there. Suppose here double bond is there. What happens? And these electrons are migrating over there. As here also possibility, na, double bond. These electrons are migrating, and pi bond is migrating over here. Means here cross resonance is also possible. Cross resonance is possible because of cross resonance reluctant to donate a proton only. Here also one cross resonance is possible. Now possibility over here is lone pair migrating again means reluctant to donate a proton only here. So because of cross resonance only the acidic nature of H3PO4 decreases. Is experimentally proved that one pK value is 2.1, 1.5, 1.3. This is only exception case in oxyacids of the elements only. Generally, remaining cases may oxidation state increases, acidic character also increases. Chalo. Next, one more. अच्छा different oxyacids देखो, different oxyacids में for example मैंने if different element oxyacids or oxyacids or oxides also, oxyacids whatever may be different element, then En value increases, acidic nature increases. Electronegativity of element increases, acidic nature increases. A simple example है अच्छा HClO4, HBrO4, like Hi4, etc. is given, which is a more acidic, no doubt at all, more acidic is acidic character. Because here chlorine, bromine, iodine is central atom, which is a more En value chlorine. Chlorine is a more acidic character only. अच्छा चलो एक और example है. अच्छा Cl2O7, SO3, N2O5, which is a more acidic. This is more acidic. Here oxidation panda also, En value also panda. You remember this. Is a more acidic character. Achha, groups in periodic classification some across the period acidic character increases, down the group acidic character decreases. This kind of questions are. In oxides mein acidic character basic character decreases. Across the period in periodic table across the period acidic nature of oxide increases. Acidic nature of oxides increases. Acidic nature of oxides increases. Acidic nature of oxides increases. अच्छा, this kind of question they may ask, right? चलो, next one more concept है. So here also En value, I said En value, anion En value increases in a period. Acidic nature increase and एग्जाम्पल है, अच्छा in case of En में sp is more En value than sp2 than sp3 En value में, that means if sp hybridization increases acidic nature increases, sp3 hybridization acidic nature decreases only. Like some examples हैं, अच्छा CH triple bond C COH, अच्छा which is attached to sp carbon, अच्छा CH2 double bond CH COH, अच्छा which are attached to sp2 hybridization, अच्छा lastly CH3 CH2 COH, अच्छा ये वाला sp3 hybridization. Suppose they are asking the question which is a more acidic character, अच्छा which is a more acidic, this is A, this is B, this is C, which is a more acidic character है, अच्छा acidic order, acidic nature order, this is acidic nature का order sp greater than sp2 greater than sp3 होंगे, that means A is greater than B is greater than C, acidic nature होंगे. So acidic nature increases, acidic character also increase, मतलब En value increases, acidic nature also increases. चलो एक और application है, this is a very important application है. अच्छा in general trend क्या है, -I or -M group increases, acidic nature increases, whereas +I or +M group increases, acidic nature decreases. अच्छा -I -M increases, acidic nature increases, +I +M increases, acidic nature decreases. चलो we'll see some examples हैं. अच्छा ये एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1, फॉर्मिक एसिड है, अच्छा एसिडिक एसिड है, अच्छा प्रोपेनोइक एसिड है, एक्सेट्रा. अच्छा which is a more acidic character, देखो which is a more acidic character, this based on this acidic character increases, because +I group increases हो रहा है, here methyl, here ethyl, more +I, here more +I. अच्छा very simple funda, whenever +I group है, very simple funda है. Suppose if this is +I group है, so electron density increases on carboxylate ion because of +I group, electron density increases on carboxylate ion, so proton is held very strong, मतलब acidic character decreases only. With more +M group increases, electron density on carboxylate ion increases, so proton very held strongly, so removal of proton is very difficult, that's why acidic character decreases in case of +I group. But in case of -I group is different. चलो in case of -I group है, चलो मैंने एक काम कर रहा है, एसिटिक एसिड है, कंपैरिजन है, अच्छा मोनोक्लोरो एसिटिक एसिड है, अच्छा एसिटिक एसिड है, मोनोक्लोरो एसिटिक एसिड है, अच्छा which is लाइक देखो here +I ग्रुप है, here -I ग्रुप है. अच्छा देखो -I, whenever -I nothing but electron withdrawing group increases, which can withdraw the electron from carboxylate ion, so electron density on carboxylate ion decreases. Whenever electron is decreases on carboxylate ion, Protons comes out very easily. According proton is comes out very easily. Comes out very easily. मतलब proton comes out very easily is more acidic character. More acidic character. That's the reason why minus effect increases, acidic nature increases only. Minus effect increases, acidic nature increases only. चलो एक और एग्जांपल है. एक और एग्जांपल है. एक और एग्जांपल है. चलो मोनोफ्लोरोएसिटिक एसिड है. अच्छा मोनोफ्लोरोएसिटिक एसिड है. साइनोफ्लोरोएसिटिक एसिड है. अच्छा क्लोरोफ्लोरोएसिटिक एसिड है. अच्छा ब्रोमोफ्लोरोएसिटिक एसिड है. अच्छा आइडोल्स which is a more acidic character means more minus I. More minus I. अच्छा CN is a more minus I. NO2 is a more minus I than F also. So more minus I, more acidic character only. अच्छा here very simple है. More, this is the increasing order of acidic character. Since minus I group increases, means electron withdrawing group tendency increases, acidic nature increases. Acidic nature increases. Easily you can understand which is a more acidic character for this kind of questions. Right? अच्छा one more very important question है. One more important very question है. Benzoic acid है. अच्छा benzoic acid है. This aromatic acid है. ये बेंजोइक एसिड है. ये बेंजोइक एसिड है. बेंजोइक एसिड है. अच्छा ये एसिटिक एसिड है. बेंजोइक एसिड है. एसिटिक एसिड है. इट इज एसिडिक एसिड. बेंजोइक एसिड है एंड दिस इज एसिडिक एसिड है. एसिडिक एसिड है. अच्छा दिस एरोमेटिक एसिड है. एरोमेटिक एसिड है. ये एलिफेटिक एसिड है. एरोमेटिक एसिड है. एलिफेटिक एसिड है. For your kind information, aromatic acid is more acidic than aliphatic acid because C6H5 group is nothing but a minus I group है. whereas methyl group is nothing but a plus I group है. अच्छा देखो whenever minus I group of which can withdraws the electron from carboxyl atom, which are withdraws the electron from carboxyl atom, proton is comes out very easily. Proton is comes out very easily. Now here electron releasing group है. Whenever electron releasing group है, electron density increases in carboxyl atom, proton is very held very strongly. That's why acidic nature decreases only. So aromatic conclusion है aromatic acids are more acidic than aliphatic acids. What is your conclusion is aromatic acids are more acidic than aliphatic acids. Aromatic acids are more acidic than aliphatic acids. Note करो. Aromatic acids are more acidic than aliphatic acids. एक और एग्जांपल है आपके लिए. एक और एग्जांपल है. अच्छा एसिडिक एसिड एंड फिनोल. एसिडिक एसिड एंड फिनोल. एसिडिक एसिड एंड फिनोल व्हिच इज अ मोर एसिडिक कैरेक्टर. अच्छा ये फिनोल है. ये एसिडिक एसिड है. एसिडिक एसिड है which is a more acidic. Acetic acid है. चलो once we can write a anion of this compound. Very simple funda. Anion of this compound is CH3 C double bond O minus. Right? It having equivalent resonance structure है. देखो for this we can write resonance structure है. Equivalent resonance structure है. These are resonance structures हैं. Acetic acid है. resonance structures. Sometimes people are also thinking, sir, this is, you said aromatic acids are more acidic than aliphatic, but sir, phenol is a aromatic acid annar sir ante chudandi. Aromatic acid. Phenol is aromatic acid, no doubt, but not carboxylic acid. Actually, there are equivalent resonance structures. Equivalent resonance structures are possible in both structures. In both cases, more En value, nothing but oxygen carries negative charge. Achha, more electronegative element carrying negative charge is more stable only. This anion is more stable only. चलो, in case of phenol भी देखता है. In case of phenol है, phenol में anion कैसा है? Anion of phenol है. Shall we write anion of phenol like this? Anion of phenol. This is a phenol anion. This is anion. But for your kind of information, it is undergoes resonance structures. It undergoes resonance structure. Shall we write resonance structures of this? अच्छा देखो, resonance structures of this shall we write like this? अच्छा कैसा resonance structures है देखो, ये negative charge ये कार्बन में है. मतलब first structure I am writing like this. यहाँ double bond हो गया, यहाँ negative charge. Now remaining acids I will write. Now one more structure also possible ना? One more structure is possible. कैसा है? अच्छा negative sigma pi conjugation. Negative sigma pi conjugation. This negative charge is migrating. Pi electrons are migrating this carbon only. So shall we write one more structure for this? One more structure is here negative charge. Double bond. Here. Oh. अच्छा one more structure also possible. We can check it. One more structure कैसे possible है? Negative charge sigma pi conjugation है. अच्छा देखो, ये वाला एक कार्बन में जाएंगे. मतलब अच्छा one more structure also possible. ये negative charge ये sorry. अच्छा ये डबल बॉन्ड हो गया, यहाँ नेगेटिव चार्ज हो गया, डबल बॉन्ड देखो. अच्छा when compared to previous one, more number of resonance structures. అంటే చెప్పిన దాని ప్రకారం ఇది more anion is more stable అవ్వాలి. But in all cases you can see anion carbon మీద ఉంది, but more En value oxygen है. In all this structure carbon carrying negative charge. In above structure more oxygen carrying negative charge है. More En value carrying negative charge is more stable. That's why even though it is aromatic, acetic acid is more acidic than phenol only. The reason is in phenoxide ion, more En value carrying less En value carrying a negative charge. Here less En value, nothing but carbon having a negative charge, which is unstable. But in above structure, oxygen carrying negative charge is more stable. That's why even though aromatic phenol is aromatic, even though more number of resonance structures, but acetic acid is more acidic than this one. Right? Chalo. Generally strong acids. Generally strong acids. When react with sodium bicarbonate, CO2 gas is released. This characteristics of acids. Generally strong acid react with sodium bicarbonate, liberates CO2. This is characteristics of carboxylic acid. General acids only. Achha, for example, if you go for any carboxylic acid, RCOH and sodium bicarbonate, achha, RCOONA plus CO2 plus H2. This is a common equation. Identification of carboxylic acid in organic compound. Equivocal efficiency of CO2 gas is evaluated, which is colorless gas is evaluated. But in case of weak acids, suppose I go for acetylene, is a weak acid. I go for alcohol, is weak acid. I go for phenol, weak acids. These are weak acids. Weak acids when react with sodium bicarbonate. Actually, CO2 gas is not liberated. CO2 is not liberated. is not liberated. But phenol में picric acid can liberate CO2 gas. But in case of picric acid, particularly except carboxylic acid, picric acid, picric acid can react with sodium bicarbonate. Picric acid can react with sodium bicarbonate. Picric acid means 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. This is called picric acid. 2,4,6 is called picric acid because more number of minus M groups are there. If more minus M groups are increases, acidic nature increases. When react with sodium bicarbonate, yes, it liberate. अच्छा आपको बनेगा ऐसा एक कंपाउंड बनेगा ऐसा. अच्छा वो यानी अच्छा NO2 etc. with the liberation of CO2 gas. अच्छा general trend है very strong acid like any carboxylic acid react with sodium bicarbonate, CO2 gas से evaporate. Characteristics of the acidic character only, right? And suppose if your electron withdrawing group is away from the living group, away from the function group, its acidic character decreases only. Like alpha, beta, gamma, you can consider alpha is a more acidic than beta than gamma. For example, देख लीजिए. अच्छा देखो CH3, CH2, CHCl, COH एक कंपाउंड है. अच्छा दूसरा कंपाउंड है CH3, CHCl, CH2COH है. एंड तीसरा कंपाउंड है CH2Cl, CH2COH. For a conformation beyond third carbon, there is no inductive effect also. Now मैंने ये वाला फंक्शन ग्रुप है, अल्फा कार्बन है, बीटा कार्बन है, गामा कार्बन है. देखो ये वाला फंक्शन ग्रुप है, नेक्स्ट अल्फा, बीटा, गामा. ये वाला फंक्शन ग्रुप है, अल्फा, बीटा, गामा. अच्छा माइनस आई ग्रुप इज अवे फ्रॉम फंक्शन ग्रुप. ये अल्फा में, ये बीटा में, ये गामा में है. सो विच इज अ मोर एसिडिक कैरेक्टर. सपोज मैंने ये B, C is given increasing order of the sequence, correct sequence of the acidic character है. अच्छा किसका ज्यादा है acidic character? A is more acidic than B than C on this acidic nature order. Acidic nature order नोट करो, acidic nature का order. चलो एक और एग्जांपल है आपके लिए, एक और एग्जांपल है. अच्छा फॉर्मिक एसिड है, सक्सिनिक एसिड है, देखो मैंने ऑक्सैलिक एसिड लिखा है, डाइकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड कौन है, COH, ये ऑक्सैलिक एसिड है. ऑक्सैलिक एसिड है, सक्सिनिक एसिड है, अच्छा नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इंक्रीज हो रहा है मैं. अच्छा एक एडीपी एसिड भी दे रहा है, डाइकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, एडीपी एसिड. अच्छा मैंने अच्छा 1 2 3 4 लिखा. इन 1 2 3 4 which is more acidic है. देखो नंबर ऑफ CH ग्रुप्स इंक्रीजेस है, प्लस आई ग्रुप इंक्रीजेस है, प्लस आई ग्रुप इंक्रीजेस है, एसिडिक कैरेक्टर डिक्रीजेस है. मतलब एसिडिक नेचर ऑर्डर है, एसिडिक नेचर ऑर्डर है 1 is greater than 2 then 3 then 4. अच्छा एक भी यान भी लिख सकता है, इसका यान है COOH, इसका यान है CO माइनस है, यान है. Now you can write anion of this one. This anion is less stable है, this is more stable है, this is more stable है. So like that anion also you can write which is the most stable anion is most stable. Generally plus I comparison also we can check it, plus I comparison. This acidic nature in general trend acidic nature in organic compounds hai. And next class next video we can discuss with aromatic compounds acidic nature only. Very important, ortho effect is very important, particularly in carboxylic acid. So next class we are going to discuss aromatic nature of the acidic acids only. Okay, now thank you.